All right, so the Intrepid Camp Gear Rooftop Tent. This thing is pretty cool. It opens up in the back like that, which actually gives you a lot of room inside. Nice clear window in the back. It's pretty big, but when you look at it on a two-door Bronco, it's not bad. It hangs out the back just a little bit, but it really doesn't go past the bumper, which is really nice. Let's go up inside and take a look. Nice webbing for your clothes and gear and stuff. So it's got anti-condensation mat. That's a pretty thick mattress, about 2 inch. I like that it's black, good for light diffusion. You want to sleep in when you're on the trail, it's pretty cool. This is really roomy. Really nice shocks. There's some eyelets for tie down for gear. Really nice stitching. Seem like pretty good zippers. Got the pulls on them. I like how the latches too, one on each side has a key, so you can lock it. Very cool tent.